Hello and welcome everyone. It's 2022 and this is a brief look at how to make my version of a Nutcracker ornament head. It's just going to be the head, the face, and you can use your own discretion to do it any way you like, but this is the basic process. For those of you who are just joining me, this is Rozani. And I love to create things with papier mache using liquid starch. So here we go. As you see, I'm pouring the liquid starch. I like to use Stay Flow. It works quite easily and you don't have to mix it with anything. I hope this will be self-explanatory. But as you can see, I am starting with a paper napkin. This one did not dissolve as easily as the inexpensive ones. The cheaper they are, the easier they will pulp. But I didn't need to have pulp in this case. Let's begin with the toilet paper roll that I have drawn on. And the goal is to make this three-dimensional. So I'm going to be adding all of the features, starting with the little cheeks. And because this has liquid starch saturated into it, it's going to stick initially just by itself. And you can go on and add on all of the other pieces. So I'm going to work on the nose as well. By the way, I'm not sponsored at this time. I just love using Stay Flow. And I add a strip to hold it in place. And I do this on all of the pieces. I'm going to continue until I get most of the features taken care of here. Mostly have fun doing this. You can make them in different sizes, and it doesn't have to be on a toilet paper roll. There are many more projects to come this year, so I hope that you'll check back to see what's up. We've got Mardi Gras going on, and of course, I love to make masks, and we'll have things related to masks and jesters, one of my favorite topics. I'll continue to move right along until I get to another stopping point. I like to put it in front of a fan to dry, but if you have a good sunny day, you can put it in front of a window, or you could let it dry overnight. You just need to have it dry enough so that you can work on other layers. If it's too wet, it will collapse your piece. So I've added the teeth by just adding 2 strips. When this is dry, I'm going to be able to illustrate on it. So I just need something to raise the surface, and that's what I'm doing here with the teeth. You can make them any way you like. This is only one method. And here we go. There's the little goatee. You could just have fun with it, you know. There's the mustache. I love doing these little mustaches. And soon he'll be ready to put in front of the fan. A few more little additions, and then I can move on. Oh, here I'm adding the hair. Just a few strips on the side, but you don't have to use strips. These are twisted strips. Okay, looks like he's ready to set aside. I'd like to say that I'm very grateful for all of you who are watching and supporting my channel just by liking, stopping by, commenting, saying hi, and of course to my subscribers. This, of course, is just a model of a Nutcracker prince head, and I like this because it reminds me of my time in Germany, and I love to decorate at Christmas time with these little characters. But it will not crack nuts. This is paper mache, or as I like to say, papier mache. And I'm doing it just for fun. Traditionally, the real nutcrackers are made out of wood. Moving right along, I'm securing some of the pieces with these little strips here before I go too much further. That way, when it completely dries, these little pieces won't be falling off. So I just put some strips here and there, and of course they are dampened with the liquid starch. Now the reason you see that liquid starch looking thick, it's because it's very cold and some of it was left overnight for actually several days, but I didn't throw it away, so I used the same little bowl. And that's what you see right there. I'm going to set this little guy aside for now. I will post another video where he will be painted. As for now, thank you so much for watching and see you next time.